How to get messages on your Galaxy 6 watch from Samsung. So I'm trying to get messages on this thing. So if I can somehow get back to the main screen by pressing the bottom button. All right, great. So swipe up and then go down here and hit messages. I get this message. To use Samsung Messages, you need to make it the default messaging app on your phone or watch. I'm like, okay. So here's the deal. So I go to my phone, right? And see right here, that's not the icon that I had on my last Samsung phone. This is actually the Google Messages app, right? So I somehow maybe when I set this up hit the wrong thing. I didn't know what I was doing and I hit the Google Message app. And that will explain why there are some things going on with my messaging. So how do I change that? Well, what I do is I go to settings and then I scroll down to apps. See right here where it says default apps and default settings? Great. Hit that and then go down to messaging, I think. Wait a minute, where is it? I think it's under choose default apps at the top. So hit choose default apps, SMS app. I know it's weird. It should just say messages, but it does underneath in real small print. So hit that, and then I have two to choose from. So this one here is the one that I'm using right now, and that's the Google one. And it works, but it won't communicate with my phone. So I want to use the Samsung one. So I hit that, and then I go back and back, and I should be set. So I turn on my watch again. I go like this. Let's see if this works. Go like that. And it says set messages as your default. Yeah, so it's set. Okay. And then I go set. And I should be able to get messages. Now I'm getting messages on my phone. So let's go back. Okay, so go back to the top screen, right? Go back here, swipe, go all the way down, hit messages, and there's my messages. So, all right. I hope you guys have a good one. I appreciate you for watching. Smashing like helps me a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.